Hey guys, today we are making the creamiest pasta ever. But before we start, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss anything. And now, if you're ready to learn how to make the creamiest pasta ever, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Wow, I tried this pasta, it was creamy and bossingly bossing. I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try. So, we are behind our video. If you like my video, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss anything. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and fresh video. Peace!